Welcome back. We're going to copy our entire document into our favorite word processing software or a notepad file. What we're going to do now with our document is we're going to upload it to Claude and we're going to ask for feedback for this document in order to teach the subject. So we're going to include a role and we're going to ask for Claude to criticize the summary that we have given it. We're now going to click Enter. We're now going to allow Claude to provide its criticism of this document. We're now going to take this criticism and we're going to ask for an improved document. And what we now have is based on the role that we've asked Claude to play, is that we now have a set of criticisms that we can use to improve the document. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Copy. We're going to add these criticisms into another document. And we're now going to move on to the next step where we use these criticisms in order to improve our document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.